Hey, this is Josh Gens with United Country Midwest Lifestyle Properties and UC Hunting Properties. We're out here at 0 Knobloch Road in the town of Shelby, just outside the La Crosse city limits. We're featuring this 115-acre prime hunting property. It's got some of the best ridgetop access with a beautiful agricultural field, amazing hardwood timber. It features multiple bowls, ridges, benches, pinch points, ponds. It truly has it all. If you're looking for a premier hunting property near La Crosse, Wisconsin, this is the one you have to check out.